Amy Slayton, the beloved star of 1000 LB Sisters, is no longer the timid, self-doubting woman viewer first met in the early seasons of the hit TLC series. As the cameras continue to follow her transformative journey, both physically and emotionally, Amy is stepping into a bold new phase of her life. Recently, fans were stunned to witness Amy pushing through anxiety, fear, and past trauma to enter social spaces she once avoided, all in the name of personal growth and finding genuine connection. In her own words, "I have to try." And try she does. In scenes that brought many to tears, Amy shares her innermost fears with viewer, opening up about her struggles with social anxiety, trust issues, and the immense loneliness that followed her divorce. This is a new Amy, one who's trying to rediscover herself beyond the title of a reality star, mother, and sister. The woman who used to hide from the world is now learning to embrace it. Longtime fans of 1000 LB Sisters will recall how Amy often let Tammy, her older sister, take the spotlight, her through drama, health crises, or attention-seeking behavior. Amy, on the other hand, often played the role of peacekeeper, caregiver, and emotional support. But now, Amy is realizing she needs support too. And this newfound realization is changing everything. For Amy, the fear of judgment has always loomed large. After years of being shamed for her weight, her parenting, and even her appearance, stepping outside her home, let alone into social gatherings, felt like a monumental task. "It's not just about my weight," she confessed during a recent confessional on the show. "It's about feeling like I'm not good enough. Like people are staring at me, laughing at me, thinking I don't belong." But something changed. In recent months, Amy has begun attending local meetup groups, visiting cafes, exploring new hobbies, and even initiating conversations with strangers. Fans were particularly moved when she joined a women's support circle focused on self-esteem, courage, and healing. In that intimate setting, Amy broke down in tears as she spoke about how much of her life was shaped by fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of being seen. "All my life I waited for people to tell me it's okay to be myself," she shared, "but now I realize I need to be that person for me." The women in the group embraced her with open arms, applauding her bravery and welcoming her into the circle with love and acceptance. One of the most talked about moments from the recent episodes is when Amy attended a local art class completely on her own. With trembling hands and nervous energy, she walked into the studio, uncertain of what to expect. But within minutes, Amy was laughing, talking, and even exchanging phone numbers with a few classmates. Her painted canvas, a whimsical piece full of color, symbolized a deeper transformation. Amy Feen Ali letting go of perfection and embracing expression. "It's messy," she said, looking at her art, "but it's me. And that's beautiful." Amy's decision to step outside of her comfort zone didn't come easily. Behind the scenes, she's been working with a therapist to address her social fears, childhood wounds, and emotional blocks. After years of focusing on Tammy's needs and raising two young boys, Amy is now prioritizing her own healing. "Therapy opened my eyes," she revealed. "I started to see how much I'd been holding myself back, always waiting for the perfect moment to start living. But that moment is now." Her therapist encouraged her to try new things, even if they felt scary or uncomfortable. From joining book clubs to participating in local fundraisers, Amy is slowly building a life beyond isolation and fear. Her sister Amanda, often seen as the tough love sibling, has been one of Amy's biggest cheerleaders. In a heartwarming episode, Amanda surprised Amy with a girls' weekend trip to a wellness retreat. There, Amy experienced everything from meditation to outdoor hikes, activities that would have once been unthinkable for her. "I didn't think I'd enjoy it," Amy admitted, "but I actually felt free out there in the woods. Like I could breathe again." Amanda later told producers, "I've never been prouder of my sister. She's finally putting herself first, and it's beautiful to watch." Of course, the journey hasn't been without setbacks. There were moments when Amy backed out of events, battled panic attacks, or felt overwhelmed by self-doubt. During one particularly raw segment, Amy sat alone in her car, sobbing, unable to walk into a social function she had been looking forward to all week. "I felt like I didn't belong," she said later. "Like everyone inside had their life together and I was still figuring mine out." But the difference now is that Amy doesn't stay down. With the help of friends, therapy, and sheer determination, she picks herself up and tries again. Amy's transformation is about more than losing weight or gaining confidence, it's about reclaiming her identity. For years, she was defined by her role as Tammy's sister or as a YouTube personality or as a mother. Now, she's learning who Amy Slayton truly is. She's discovering that she's funny, creative, nurturing, and, most importantly, resilient. Viewers have watched in awe as she started sewing her own clothes, redecorating her home, and even talking about going back to school. I always thought it was too late for me, she told the cameras. But now I realize, it's never too late. Social media has been flooded with support for Amy. Fans from around the world have shared their admiration for her courage and honesty. Watching Amy step into her power is so inspiring, wrote one fan. She's showing us that healing isn't perfect, it's messy, it's hard, but it's worth it. Others have reached out to say that Amy's story has motivated them to face their own fears and take risks they've been avoiding. In response, Amy recently shared a heartfelt TikTok video thanking fans for their love. "Y'all don't know how much your support means to me," she said tearfully. "I feel like I'm not alone anymore. While the future remains uncertain, one thing is clear, Amy Slayton is not the same woman she used to be, and she doesn't want to be. I've wasted so much time hiding," she said. "Now I want to live. I want to laugh. I want to be around people who lift me up. I want my boys to see that their mama is strong and brave and happy." That motivation, her sons, is at the heart of everything she does. Amy is determined to model courage, self-love, and authenticity for her children. "If I can show them that it's okay to be scared and still try, then I'm doing something right," she said. Amy's evolution may have started quietly, with small steps like going to the grocery store alone or introducing herself at a neighborhood event, but those steps have led to monumental shifts in her life. She's forming real friendships, expressing herself creatively, and most importantly, believing in her own worth. And while she's still healing, still growing, and still figuring things out, Amy is finally moving forward, one brave step at a time. As fans continue to follow her journey on 1000 LB Sisters, there's no doubt that Amy's story will inspire many more to step out of their own comfort zones. Because if Amy Slayton can do it, after all she's been through, maybe anyone can. In her own words, "I'm not perfect. I'm not fixed, but I'm trying. And that's enough. That's more than enough." Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.